Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I've got some product here that I really need to get rid of. I bought them a couple days ago so I could make a Salsa Verde using my molcajete, and I just haven't had a chance to do it, so I'm going to try to get this done really quick. So this is what you're going to need. You're going to need some tomatillos. These will be cleaned. Okay, so as you can see, they have a paper on them. These papers will come off, and then you'll feel it's a little sticky, so you'll want to wash those. And then, this is a really bad looking chili, but I forget what kind of chili this is. Anyway, they're not that spicy. And we're going to need some lime. We're going to need a little bit of onion. So let me get this stuff washed and then we'll go to the next step. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put this in my cast iron and I'm going to put it in the broiler. I've got all the tomatillos washed. I got this pepper. I forget the name of the pepper. Before the end of the video, I will flash the name of this pepper. We got a quarter of an onion. All right. And I've got some garlic here. So all this is going to go. They're going to go in a dry pan, and we're going to put it in the broiler, and we're going to keep an eye on it. And we're going to turn them, and we're going to broil these and roast these so they're nice and brown. And then we'll just beat them up and make a salsa. I forgot. We're also going to need lime. We're also going to need cilantro. Alright, so let's get this party started. And we just keep an eye on them. Alright, so I can smell that the garlic is starting to roast nicely, and we want to take that out before it burns because we don't want it to get bitter. Okay, I see the pepper. We're going to put in a bag. I'm just going to set that aside, and we'll take care of that. The garlic seems ready. I'm going to put it in the molcajete. Just so I got a place to put it. So I'm going to let it go a little bit longer for the tomatillos and the onion. So at this point we've already been in for about 10 or 15 minutes. So let's give it another 5 minutes or so. Okay. I took the cilantro, I washed it, and I gave it a rough chop, even though we're going to grind it up. Just make sure that it gets incorporated really good. So we're going to leave this in here for a couple minutes before we do anything with this. And now we just wait. Alright, so these are done. I'm going to let them sit. I'm going to take the onion, give it a rough chop. Take off that end. So I'm going to put those in with the garlic. I'm going to add a couple peppercorns. I'm going to work this. Add a pinch of salt. Okay. Let's see if this, how this pepper's doing. We can peel this pepper. Give this pepper a rough chop. Into the molcajete. Okay. And again, rough chop. I love cilantro. I'm going to put all that cilantro in. And I'm also going to put a sprinkle of cumin in. Let's add some lime juice, or actually half a lime. And let's give it a taste. There's a tartness to it, so I think I need more salt. I'm going to put in some more cumin. And there's really no heat in it. I thought those poblanos, that's what they are. Not bad. Could use some heat. But I'm not going to put any in it because I don't know if the kids are going to have any. Right, so this is actually the first time I've ever had the green salsa. Didn't know what to expect. Nothing like the red salsa. There's a tartness to it because of the tomatillos and because of the lime. I think that poblano, I probably could have added some more. I probably could have added some heat, but like I said, I hope the kids are going to have some, so I didn't want to put heat in it. But it's a fresh, lemony, tart salsa. I'm glad I was able to make it and those ingredients not go to waste. I just haven't been able to find the time to do it. And we'll see if we can get some chips and chow this stuff down. So, thanks for stopping by. Hope you like it, and we'll see you soon. Bye.